Hi everyone. So now we are moving into level 2.8. And in level 2.8, I teach the BS course and the copacetic chair dance. The copacetic chair dance is really another version of the BS course, but it's done sitting down in a chair, hence the name. Now, with a lot of these traditional tap dances, you are going to find that there are a lot of variations out there. And what I teach you in these videos might not be exactly the way you've learned these dances from someone else. I also, because I teach adults, sometimes older adults, who are learning how to tap dance for the first time, in some cases learning how to dance at all for the first time, I like to simplify things a little bit to help them get it. I don't think it's that important that you can do a one-footed wing, which is what the BS chorus includes. I don't think you need to do a full over the top. You can fake it. It's called the BS chorus for a reason, because people can BS their way through it. So don't get upset if you've learned it a different way, if you think it's different. I also have a time step break that I use instead of the traditional BS chorus break, because I found it's easier for my students to learn it this way. So that's the way it's going to be in this video. It's not going to be exactly the same. We are going to start off with the very first section of the BS course, which is basically time steps and a break. The first section of this dance is a time step section. And when I learned this, I learned it with 6 single stomp time steps. And then you would do a break. Now, this section will vary greatly. I have seen it done with 2 singles, 2 doubles, 2 triples, and then the break. I have seen it done with all doubles and then the break. In fact, that seems to be one of the more common ones out there, is that it should be all doubles and then the break. I have also seen it done with the shuffle time steps, and that's okay too. I have seen the stomp time step very often usually done with that pickup or that grab off, a little spank backwards instead of just a stomp. So while you're learning this, figure out which one is your most comfortable one. I've also seen it, sometimes it's done with the hop. I've heard people say, no, traditionally this time step should be done with all heel drops on the BS chorus. Again, this piece of choreography dates back 100 years, and there's a lot of variations, and no one's really sure exactly which is the right one. So we accept all of them as possibilities. So you're doing those 6, we're going to do just singles. You're going to do your 6 single time steps. Stomp, heel, step, collapse, step. Stomp, heel, step, collapse, step. Stomp, heel, step, collapse, step. Now, the break we're going to use is going to be stomp, heel, shuffle, step, shuffle, hop, collapse, collapse. Let's do that again. 5, 6, 7, stomp, heel, shuffle, step, shuffle, hop, collapse. And you can do hops or heel drops. The break is one thing that seems to vary greatly. I have seen, there's another variation of the break out there that does stomple steps and then a maxi forward in it. And that is a very common one that I've seen quite a bit. I've seen it not only with stomple steps, but with shuffle steps. Actually, it's a stomple heel step. So that's the other variation, but I've seen it shuffle, heel step, shuffle, but I learned it with this break. So this is the break we are going to use. So one more time, the break's going to be, you've done all singles up to this point. The break is a triple break. So it suddenly feels like you're going a lot faster. So you're doing stomp, heel, shuffle, step, shuffle, heel, collapse. All right, let's do those 6 time steps and then the break. 5, 6, 7, stomp, hop, step, collapse, step. hop, step, flap, step. Here's the phrase, stomp, hop, shuffle, step, shuffle, hop, flap, flap. Let's do that one more time. 5, 6, 7, stomp, hop, step, flap, step. Stomp, hop, step, flap, step. Stomp, hop, step, flap, step. Stomp, hop, shuffle, step, shuffle, heel, flap, flap. 5, 6, 7, stomp, hop, step,